world level.
Double figures
Every
every
season
season
is
is
the
the
goal.
goal.
They hit great numbers. Can't argue with stuff like that. Chance to go the other way. Red one in. Oh, he's onto it. And it's been taken short. And this is Messi. Oh, he's played it in low. That's just playing it safe and simple.
Way as if laser guided. That's expertly finished.
Shock shoots! Oh, it's great chance! It was unmissable and it was irresistible. Forget about the analysis on this. So just enjoy it.
Manchester United head into the half-time break with a narrow lead, 2-1.
If you have just joined us, this every week, Peter. This is exactly what you want from a